In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the "sorry there is a problem with OneDrive servers" error in just 5 minutes. We're addressing a common issue that can be both frustrating and interruptive, but by following these steps systematically, you'll be back on track in no time. First, you need to access the Task Manager on your computer. To do this, simply go to the Start menu and type Task Manager in the search bar. The Task Manager is a useful Windows utility that helps you manage all running applications and processes on your PC. Once you've searched for it, click on the Task Manager to open it. You'll see a window displaying a list of all the currently active applications and background processes. Now scroll through this list until you locate OneDrive. This is the application that you'll be targeting to fix the server issues. With OneDrive now in view, the next step is to right-click on it. A context menu will pop up, giving you several options on how to proceed. The option you're interested in is End Task, so go ahead and select End Task. By doing this, you're effectively closing down the OneDrive application and stopping its processes, which can help resolve any glitches or hangups it's currently experiencing. Now that OneDrive is no longer running, it's time to restart it. This is as simple as opening it again. When you relaunch OneDrive, it should ideally start with a clean slate, potentially solving the earlier problem. However, if you find the error message persists despite these efforts, don't worry just yet. There's one more step you can take. You'll need to completely shut down your computer. A full shutdown can clear out any lingering issues within your system's processes that may have been impacting OneDrive. Once your computer is entirely off, it's time to power it up again with a restart. A fresh reboot often works wonders for kicking stubborn problems to the curb and can effectively reset system conditions that might be impacting connectivity to OneDrive servers. And there you have it. By following these steps, ending the task, restarting OneDrive, and rebooting your computer, you should be able to resolve the persistent OneDrive server error. Remember, such troubleshooting methods are useful for various software issues, so keep them in mind whenever you're faced with similar problems. Thank you for watching today's tutorial. If this helped solve your issue, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more useful tech fixes and tips. Stay tuned for more and have a fantastic day troubleshooting with ease.